Hey friends, it's Explore with Meg, your travel guide. We've all struggled with overstuffed suitcases and pre-trip anxiety. But packing doesn't have to be stressful. Seasoned travelers know the secret is a smarter, not bigger, packing list. Most of what we think we need are just-in-case items that never get used. Ready to become a minimalist traveler? Here are 12 things experienced globetrotters leave behind, and you should too. Let's dive in and lighten your load for your next adventure. Ditch the heavy guidebooks. Your smartphone is now your best travel guide. Apps like Google Maps and Rome to Rio offer directions, transit info, and reviews, all offline if needed. Digital resources are lighter, more up-to-date, and far more practical. Embrace the digital age and save your back. Shoes are the #1 culprit for overweight bags. You only need 2 pairs, one comfortable, all-day walking shoe, and one versatile pair for evenings or special activities. Only add a third if your trip demands it, like hiking boots or flip-flops. Prioritize comfort and versatility. Your feet and your suitcase will thank you. Less is more when it comes to footwear. Full-size bottles are heavy, prone to leaks, and unnecessary. Use travel-size containers or switch to solid toiletries like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets. They're leak-proof, last longer, and breeze through airport security. Go small or go solid to save space and avoid messes. It's one of the easiest ways to lighten your load. The just-in-case outfit almost never gets worn. Pack a capsule wardrobe versatile mix-and-match pieces in a simple color palette. Every top should go with every bottom, and layers are your friend. If you run out of clean clothes, do laundry. Hotel sinks and laundromats work great. Ditch the what-ifs and enjoy a lighter, more functional wardrobe. Less choice means less stress. Travel is about experiences, not outfits. Bulky hair dryers and straighteners are a hassle and often incompatible abroad. Most hotels provide a hair dryer. Check ahead and leave yours at home. Embrace low-maintenance styles, air dry, braids, or buns. A small anti-frizz serum or texturizing spray is all you need. Save space, avoid electrical issues, and spend more time exploring. Let your hair and yourself relax. Don't pack every gadget you own. Your smartphone covers photos, maps, entertainment, and communication. Unless you're a pro, leave the camera gear and tablets at home. My essentials: phone, noise-canceling earbuds, and a portable power bank. Less tech means less to lose, break, or worry about. Simplify and enjoy your trip. Leave pricey jewelry and valuables at home. They're a theft risk and a source of stress. Opt for simple, inexpensive accessories you won't worry about. If you must, wear a low-value substitute for sentimental items. Focus on experiences, not guarding your stuff. Travel lighter and with peace of mind. Books are heavy and take up space. Use an e-reader or your phone for hundreds of books in one device. Audiobooks are perfect for travel days. Embrace digital reading and save your back. Enjoy your library without the wait. Carrying lots of cash is risky and outdated. Bring a small amount of local currency for small purchases. Use cards for everything else. Just make sure you have one with no foreign transaction fees. Carry a backup card in a separate spot. This combo keeps you safe and flexible. Those giant neck pillows are awkward and take up space. Use an inflatable pillow or roll up a jacket for neck support. Many flights provide pillows anyway. Choose compact comfort and keep your bag streamlined. Small changes make a big difference. Don't pack for every weather scenario. Bring one quality, all-weather shell and layer with thin shirts or a fleece. Layering adapts to changing temps without bulk. One versatile jacket is all you need. Stay warm, dry, and light. Leave the big bath towel at home. Most accommodations provide them. If you need one, bring a compact, quick-dry microfiber towel. They're light, pack tiny, and dry fast. Don't lug around a damp, bulky towel. Travel towels are made for the road. There you have it. 12 things to leave off your packing list. Packing light means more freedom, less stress, and more time enjoying your trip. Be ruthless. Question every item. Ditch the non-essentials and travel like a pro. You'll be amazed at how liberating it feels. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your own packing tips in the comments. Until next time, happy travels. Travel smarter, not heavier.